Good morning class. As yesterday I have explained you the chapter 10 adjective, and I hope it is now clear to all of you. So let us now start with the exercise of it today. Good morning class. As I have already told you that today we are going to start with the exercises of adjectives. So let us now move to the first exercise. First of all, put today's date, classwork, fill in the blanks with correct adjectives. He has stood first in class dash times. He has stood first in class 5 times. They brought a dash tray on Diwali. They brought a silver tray on Diwali. You wasted dash time in gossip. You have wasted much time in gossip. Fourth one is, he does not fear because he is brave. We are telling about the quality and quantity. Here we are using all kinds of adjectives. Fifth one, I brought the shirt because it was blue in color. Here we are using adjective of color. Sixth, British English is most popular in India. The dash lady helped us. The old lady, here we are adjective of age. Eighth one, he has failed 3 times but he wants to try the 4th time. Let us now move to the B exercise. Here we are being given a composition. You have to fill this composition using appropriate adjectives. Write a composition about your house using appropriate adjectives. I live in a big house. Like all other houses, it has many walls. The color of my house is cream. There is big and beautiful garden in front of my house. We have a big and a very beautiful garden in front of my house. There are small plants and big trees in this garden. As far as inside the house is concerned, there are 2 bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms, 1 living room, 2 bathrooms and a small kitchen. My mother always keeps our house clean. We have used adjectives here to fill the composition which was being given to us. So let us now move to the C exercise. Supply suitable nouns to the following adjectives. Here we are giving suitable nouns. Now what you all have to do is you have to supply adjectives to it. A cloudy night. We have to use adjectives. A big house, a small office, a pretty girl, an intelligent boy, a damaged jeans, an active volcano, a new book, a strong woman, a red car. Now, you can change all these names if you want. I have applied suitable. You can write intelligent girl or whatever you want. You can write red shirt, strong, any name if you want. A new shirt, cycle, anything you can use to change it. Now, supply suitable adjectives to the following. We have to do the alternate of this one. Now, here we have to apply suitable nouns to the following adjectives. Country, huge. City, small. Table, old. Teacher, intelligent. Friend, faithful. School, big. Soldier, brave. Cricketer, famous. Leader, honest. Actor, emotional. Now, as I have used all these words, I have told you earlier also that you can change these words according to you. If it is not suitable to any of you, you can change it if you want. Now let us move to the E exercise. In this, what you have to do is underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Here we have given 7 sentences. You have to underline the adjectives in the following sentences. First one is, Obama will come to Asian countries on an official tour. Which type of countries will Obama come? Ancient countries. To an official tour. Second one is Sneha is ill today and the kind teacher has asked her to stay at home. Sneha is not well today. Which type of teacher we are being told about the we are being told that the teacher is kind. Seventh one is the royal family lives in a large place. Which type of family lives? Royal family in a large place. Fourth one, Pooja did not mind insulting remarks of Pramila. Which types of remark did Pooja give to Pramila? Insulting remarks. So, adjective here is insulting. Fifth one is Anjana gave a powerful speech on burning topic. Which type of speech did Anjana give? Powerful speech on a burning topic. Which type of topic was that? Burning. So we have underlined burning over here. Sixth one. Singham beat the cruel criminal in the narrow lane. Singham beat which type of criminal was that? Cruel criminal in the lane, in the narrow lane. So we have underlined cruel and narrow over here. Seventh one. Raghu went to the old market and brought some showpieces. Which type of market did Raghu went? Old market, and brought some showpieces. Some of the showpieces was brought by Raghu. Now what you all have to do is copy these exercises as same as I have written in my notebook. You all have to copy these same exercises in your notebooks using both black and blue pen. Homework for you all is to learn the definition of adjectives and its kinds. Thank you.